here to say, fa la 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 la. Well, have you get on your way? Fa la 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 la.
Oh! Hi, kids! It's our favorite time of the year.
And we're super excited to share some fun tips for your family and for you, our friends.
Did you know you can bring your favorite comfort items along with you on the plane?
We want your flights to be as safe as possible.
So let's check out some awesome tips that could help you on your trip.
Travel-friendly comfort items.
Little spinning fidgets and Swissies are perfect travel buddies. Best to pack them in your backpack and not your pockets. Puzzles are also a fantastic way to keep your mind busy and relaxed while you're waiting or traveling.
TSA Canine Pro Tip.
You can bring slime too, but only a little bit. Ask your parents to put in a plastic bag with their travel-sized liquids and gels.
Bringing your blankie or plushie pals? They're good to go. But we'll have to take a quick trip to our x-ray machine.
And don't forget, you can bring your headphones or tablet, but they also need to take a quick ride through the x-ray machine. And don't worry, they'll be back in your hands before you can say 1, 2, 3.
Be sure to check out the TSA YouTube page for tons of fun travel tips meant just for you. We hope you all have a fun and joyful holiday season. Travel safe this holiday, fa la 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 la. With the help of TSA, fa la 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 la. Happy holidays!